all those people who are stranded in Goa with their own vehicles, they can directly apply to collector, and collector will give within 2-3 hours a letter to them, a order to them to leave Goa and go to that particular state, go to that district, because Goa being a green zone, Goa is fully declared as a green zone, so people from Goa who are traveling from Goa are safe, but definitely their protocol will tell them to do a swab test over there to check for COVID-19. So this is a positive thinking of MHA with their guidelines, a positive thinking from Goa government and Collector North, who have said that from tomorrow we will start issuing all the passes. Even if you give us details today, we will start issuing. Who have their own vehicles can apply over here online, get their order online and directly start proceeding to go to Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat or wherever it is. Now buses we are going to arrange from Panchayat side, Kalangut, Kandolim. I will speak to Anjuna Panchayat, I will speak to